Excuse me, I can't believe I ran into you here. I totally did not track your phone location or anything. So, are you here to buy the teacher a birthday card as well? You're not? Well, we can go shopping for a card together. Come on, let's go. Don't forget your cart. Look, I see a perfect card for her over there. Follow me. Excuse me? I just want to say that you...
Don't.
Whoa, where are we? What did you do? Excuse me? Why do you look so happy? I broke your laptop yesterday, so you should not be happy at all. What's that? The teacher told you that she's going to yell at me? Oh no, I'm so scared. I'll believe it when I see it. Look, here comes the teacher now. Hello, whoa, whoa, whoa. Why are you yelling this? That is extremely rude. You're angry at me for breaking their laptop? Are you kidding me? They were violating rules, so they deserve it. You've seen this. The reason why I broke their laptop is whoa, miss. Do not interrupt me and raise your voice. You cannot do that. The rule book specifically states that you are not allowed to interrupt somebody else. And what? Excuse me, where's my hug? Come give me a hug. Where's my hug at? You don't want a hug from me? Why not? Hugs are amazing. Oh, you just don't want one from me? Oh, okay. Look over there! There's a hippopotamus! Time for your hug! Ow! Excuse me, could you... Excuse me? I just wanted to let you know that you are in big trouble. That's right. After you kicked me out of your birthday party, I called the police and reported you. You think that I'm lying? Then why is there a police officer standing outside the classroom? Excuse me, officer, over here. I'm the one who called you. Why did I call you? Because they kicked me out of their birthday party for absolutely no reason. I demand justice.
Should I tell him he's looking at the wrong way? Nah.
Excuse me? I cannot believe that we are both in jail. You are the only one who deserves to be in here.
Ooh. I don't know if this is a YTP. I feel like this is just a horror movie. YouTube scares. Yep. I guess I can add the next part to this video. It's like a train station. It will never stop.
Now, it's lawsuit time. That's right, I am suing you and the teacher for $1 million. There is no way that you got a better grade than me, and I will prove that in a court of law. This is your final warning. Admit to cheating, and you'll only get... Excuse me? There will be no Thanksgiving this year, so please plan accordingly. What am I talking about? Well, I got so upset that we don't have school on Thanksgiving that I decided to get rid of Thanksgiving. Whoa.